All right, here's one for the Mopar fans. 1967 Barracuda Fastback. It's originally a 383 car, 4-speed, from the factory. A friend of mine has owned this, and I've covered this car before. But just to go over one more time, because the friends of mine that own this are some Go Fast crowd from Michigan, and well, anyway, what you're looking at is a 505 stroker engine, highly modified. It is what I call a GLH edition, goes like hell. And it's an odd configuration that Brother Bob identifies as it's a low deck engine. It's a B block, like it's in the 383 family. But it has the big 440 cross ram on it. And what they did is they used special heads which are thin enough to where you could get the 440 RB intake onto that low deck engine. He can explain it much better than I can, but I just got your basic facts for you. But this car is ripping. It also has air conditioning, power steering. Crazy, man. But both the brothers told me that after getting all that stuff squeezed in there, they're like, never again. And I can understand. Well, anyway, there you have it, quick in and out. Beautiful, beautiful 383, 4-speed from 67. Engine was gone, so they installed a monster in it. This is Gauze Garage. Thank you.